Freelancing. Do you yearn for greater flexibility and freedom in your profession because you're sick of the 9-to-5 grind? You're in the correct place then. We'll delve further into the realm of freelancing in today's video and demonstrate how to start off on this fascinating adventure. We have you covered, whether you want to become a freelancer or are just interested in the possibilities. Grab your preferred beverage, click subscribe, and let's explore the phase that will help you succeed as a freelancer. Well, first of all, there are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, etc., where you can start freelancing, but you must know about freelancing before starting to freelance on these platforms. What is freelancing? Before beginning, you must first know and understand what exactly is freelancing. Freelance means selling your services or skills to people online and getting paid for these provided services by doing their work. But in order to do that, you must have some knowledge about how to do freelancing. So let's get started and learn how to start freelancing. The freelancer's mindset. You need the appropriate mindset before you start freelancing. We'll learn how to manage uncertainty, maintain motivation, and develop resilience in the world of freelancing, such as the number of hours you would work each week, the services you provide, the amount of your expenses, and the amount you would like to make each week. Finding your freelance niche. Learn how to find your special talents and interests and convert them into a lucrative freelance specialty. We'll assist you in identifying what makes you stand out in a congested market. Learn as many talents as you can and focus on your strengths. Building an irresistible freelance portfolio. Discover how to create a magnificent portfolio that will impress clients and secure you the jobs of your dreams. We'll show you how to make your portfolio stand out because it's your passport to success. Even if you have to work for free, try to accumulate as much experience and work history for your portfolio as you can. This is crucial since potential clients will initially look at your portfolio before hiring you. Getting freelance jobs. We're delving into the worlds of networking, marketing, and job platforms. Learn where to look and how to get those high-paying freelancing jobs that match your hobbies and skills. Try to acquire as many skills as you can since the more jobs that are available to you, and the higher your chances of being recruited are, the more skills you have. Navigating the freelancer finances. As a freelancer, you are your own employer and money matters. We'll go over the fundamentals of setting your services prices, controlling your income, and paying taxes correctly. As a brand new freelancer, you should initially offer your services to clients at a low yet fair price, depending on the services you provide. Once more, think about developing as many abilities as you can to succeed. You've just finished the first step toward a successful freelance job. Congrats. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you found it useful. Tell us about your experience working as a freelancer. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful advice about freelancing. We'll unlock your freelance potential together. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.